Hi there. We're now going to watch how we can use the new Try Now feature for 3dcrystal.com. The first step is to make sure that we're on the right website, which is 3dcrystal.com. From there, we can simply select the Try Now option. Now we can see here every shape of crystal which is offered by 3D Crystal. We're going to upload our image and see what it looks like. To do that, we're going to press Upload Your File and select our image. And I can use the zoom in or zoom out feature to adjust the size of my picture. I can then click and hold to drag it to fit the crystal. To see what my image will look like in a different crystal, I can press the right or left arrows. And then I can adjust it accordingly. I think it'll look best in this crystal, so I'm going to press the Order Now button. And now I'm taken to the page for the 3D Crystal Cut Corner Diamond, which is the crystal that I thought my image looked best in. From here, I can simply choose my size, and I think it'll look best in the Cut Corner Diamond Large. I can also add a heart or rectangle keychain, a light base, a text engraving, a personal gift note, or I could even request a digital preview to keep the background, or if I have any special instructions, I can select that option as well. I also see here an option to adjust or change my image if I want to use a different image. From there, I will simply press Add to Cart, and I will be taken to the Order Checkout page. I hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.